it's Nikki and welcome to this week's incredibly late new release video. It's Friday night, it is 8 o'clock, so this is clearly going up very late. I am not feeling well. I woke up this morning not feeling well. I've actually been in bed most of the day, so I couldn't do it. So I finally now have these sitting here. Want to get this done really quickly. I am going to try to make this video as fast as possible because I'm ready to get back in bed. So we've got two new collections this week. Both of these were brought back. These were two of our best-selling spring collections from last year. I wanted to bring them back again. Also, Hello Spring is exclusive artwork. And then if there's any other kits from like last year or previous years that you guys would like to see reformatted and brought back, let me know in the comments down below. These are already up on the website. I did get these all listed last night before I started feeling really bad. So let's start with Hello Spring. And, you know, I may have to turn these lights off so that you guys can kind of see. I feel like that kind of shows it, right? So this one is exclusive art that was done for our shop last year. And if I could, here we go. Here is your bottom washi sheet. You've got these really cute like Rae Dunn inspired mugs that say spring, grow, and bloom. This one is silver foil, and then you've got Hello Spring. You've got this really cute like, not a vase, like a milk jug that says Farmer's Market. You've got the Home Sweet Home rug, mason jar, there's some lavender in here, bird cage, this really cute scene right here. And then you guys can see that the foiling is also just kind of throughout. So that is the full box and bottom washi sheet for deluxe. You've got your date covers here, your bottom washi strips, you've got some boxes, and a weekly tracker. So for the second page of the deluxe version of the kit, you've got your date numbers, you've got your 3-heart checklist, your icons, your scripts, and your movie marquee. Your next sheet, you've got your flags, your appointment labels, your quarter boxes, half boxes, and eighth boxes. Next sheet has your little things, you've got your cut washi, and then you've got your glitter headers. Next sheet is your ombre heart checklist, and then you've got some flags, some trackers, and then some smaller ones of those, and then you'd be back over to that bottom washi sheet. So all of that was the deluxe version of the kit. I have just realized that I don't believe that I don't. For some reason, I'm missing the first 2 pages of the mini version of the kit. Oh, I'm sorry, you guys. I'll show you on the next kit, though, like the format if it's something you've not seen before, but I don't know where these went, and I don't know. But there is a mini version. Also, I asked this on Facebook group and on Instagram. I'm gonna ask it here. If I was able to make premium matte the same cost as glossy and got rid of glossy, would you prefer that, or do you want glossy? If you buy glossy now, would you switch over to premium? Let me know in the comments. One reason that premium costs so much is because I don't buy it in the quantities that I buy glossy. I don't have anywhere to store it, number one, but I just can't buy them both in such high quantities, if that makes sense at all. But if I was to stop doing glossy and to start buying premium in those like bulk orders, I could make it, I believe, so that the pricing would stay the same. I believe the only thing would be the micro kits, which these, like I keep saying, I think we're gonna have to change the price on anyway. For that like special, the day they come out, I think it's gonna have to go up to 6. But for right now, they're 5 for glossy and then 6 for premium, so. These are the 2 micro kits for Hello Spring. We have 1 and 2. The second sheets for both of these is the exact same. So let me just kind of, this one I did the Hello Spring as well as the Farmer's Market, and then this one I did the Mason Jar and the Home Sweet Home. You got your date covers, you've got some boxes, you have 8 of the bow headers, flags, checklists, and then your second sheet here is 3-heart checklist, weekly trackers. Also, I'm in my pajamas, I'm sorry. 2 little things, you've got your daily trackers, your cut washi down here, and then some boxes down at the bottom. So that was Hello Spring 1, this is Hello Spring 2, and it has the same second page. And then for the next collection, we already have 1 micro kit for this that I probably should have grabbed. I don't know that I have any. We're in the middle of packaging a big batch of orders, and I'm sure there's one in there, but I don't really want to go pull one out. There is a second, or this is the second, so there is a first version of this micro kit that'll still be in the shop. I did change the price back for it so that it was like in the same section and everything, so everything's kind of grouped together. But this one is showers, and this one is silver foiling as well. This is a kit that I get asked about just constantly. So I brought it back. I figured I'd probably get asked about it again. So these are your full boxes. It's so hard to see anything with these lights. Hang on. I'm probably gonna mess the lighting up for the rest of the video, but that's okay. So yeah, here are your full boxes. So you have April showers, bring May flowers. You have your bow here, this umbrella, these really cute rain boots. There's this foiling around that. This is one of my favorites. This is this planter that says grow, or a watering can, I guess, that has the flowers coming out. You've got foil down here in this flower, and then you've got the rain falling on her umbrella, and then your bottom washi sheet has that just like rainfall pattern, which I really love. Since the lights are off, I'm gonna just really quickly show you the Hello Spring with the lights off. If I can find it, there it is. So here's the foiling for Hello Spring. I think it's a little bit easier to see. It makes the background color look really bad, but yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut these back on now, which is probably gonna have to turn off and back. Woo! Yeah, okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off and back on to hopefully reset that light. Okay, that's better. So just really quickly, I will go through the mini kit in more detail since I didn't have one for the other. So here's your full box sheet. You've got your second sheet here. I am obsessed with the colors in this collection. I think they're just so fun and like such springy colors. Little things, glitter headers, ombre heart checklist, and then you're back to your bottom washi and date cover sheet. So then for mini, let's see here. Let's bring this sheet back over. So you have, hello. Okay, you have your full box sheet. Your second sheet has got your icons, scripts. You have got your heart checklist, and then some heart checklist over here to the side. Your next sheet is the same as the deluxe. You've got your appointment labels. You have your flags, quarter boxes, eighth boxes, half boxes. Next sheet is also the same as deluxe now. So you've got your glitter headers, your washi, and your little things. And then your last sheet is the bottom washi. You lose 2 of these boxes, but you get 2 of the daily trackers, and that's the only difference on this sheet in between kits. But yeah, so that's this week's new releases. They are up now. I'm sorry this video is late. I'm sorry that I've not been posting anything. I was hoping to film some this weekend. Hopefully I'll feel better. But yeah, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.